Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm gonna be doing a try on haul slash unboxing for HALARA. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're gonna wanna stay. Also, if you're not part of the notification gang, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Now, let's get into it. Now, HALARA is a brand that I've been seeing show up on my TikTok For You page, and I've been seeing a lot of their clothes go viral. Now, when I went on the site, it's definitely giving cutesy, casual, loungewear, activewear, all of that. So I'm gonna be showing you a few items that I got from HALARA. Now, this isn't sponsored, this isn't a collab, this is something that was purchased with our money, okay? Now, this is the bag that it comes in, and this is also our first item. It's called the WA skirt, W-A skirt. So let me show you this skirt. This is too cute, y'all. So first of all, I love the material. The material is definitely the type of material that you want to wear whenever you are being active, exercising. This right here is that material. So this size is a small, and this is considered their athleisure wear. So first of all, one thing I've noticed besides the material is the fact that the fronts, you see that design at the front there? I think that's super cute, how it's like at an angle. And then when you lift this up, it's like a skirt. So I do love that aspect, that it's a skirt. So when I see this, I think of, oh, I'm gonna go play tennis, or oh, I'm gonna look cute and go play golf. Or honestly, you can do whatever with this. You can even show up to the gym with this. I know it's kind of strange because you're thinking, oh, it's a skirt. Not many people show up to the gym in a skirt. Well, what would I know? I don't go to the gym, child. But normally when I do see people work out and stuff like that, they're not really working out in like this type of skirt or skirt unless they're doing like tennis and stuff like that. But yeah, I think this is super cute, and yeah, I can't wait to try it on for y'all. Okay, so our next item, this is a lighter color. Oh yeah, this is super cute. So this is giving sports bra. It does have that same athleisure material. This is also a size small. It's like a nylon material. Yeah, even the inside, I love the fact that this has the padding, okay? I love that. That means you ain't gotta worry about, you know, getting any nipple covers or anything for this. And their material actually isn't thin. That's another thing I've noticed about this. The material isn't thin at all. But yeah, this is like a mini crop top slash bra. When you lift it up, you can see the little mesh on the inside with the little covers here. And another thing I like about this bra is the back. So let me show you the back. So I like how it's like a crisscross type of vibe when you put it on. And then I love the design on the back. Y'all see that? But yeah, I definitely can't wait to try this on and show y'all exactly what it looks good with and how it looks on me. Okay, y'all, so this is how the skirt looks. Like, this is the design that I was talking about. I kind of pulled it all the way up. And let me show you the bra. So I also have on the bra with it as well, so I can kind of show you how it looks. So this is how the back of the bra looks. I absolutely love the back, y'all. It's like my favorite part of the bra, besides like the fact that it has cushion in the front. But yeah, I love the fact that it's like a push-up type of bra. And I love, love, love how this skirt is kind of like form-fitting, and it kind of pushes you in. It's a skirt, so it has these shorts. So yeah, I think it's cute. Okay, so this material feels a tad bit different. It is stretchy. So this is actually like a turtleneck. It's sleeveless, but it's a turtleneck. And I just think this is super, super cute. It is on the thinner side. So I would definitely recommend wearing like a bra that would be flattering with this. Just keep colors in mind whenever you're wearing like bras with shirts that are see-through. Like as y'all can see, this shirt is a tad bit see-through. I'm not sure if y'all can really tell on camera, but in real life, in person, it's kind of see-through. So just be mindful of the undergarments that you wear with this. But I think this blouse is super cute. I can definitely see myself rocking this with like some cute colored pants, a skirt, or even some jeans. So looks like we have another skirt. So this skirt is actually similar to the black skirt that I showed you. Matter of fact, similar is the exact same one. It's just a different color. And y'all probably be able to see it better since it's a lighter color, but y'all look, this is the front. This is what I was talking about. Like I love the design of the front. This is how the back looks. And like I said, it's a skirt. Like I showed y'all with the other one, it has like the little shorts at the bottom of it. It's definitely athleisure wear. It's that material. And this is also in a size small. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like the white one or the black one? Now, I know I showed y'all that white turtleneck. Well, this is a black turtleneck sleeveless shirt. It's literally the same shirt, just a different color. And I think it's good to have stuff like this so that way you can kind of mix and match different like blouses and shirts and all that. And then I also feel like it's great to have options so that way whenever you're not trying to do too much, you're just trying to go out and about real quick, I think this is perfect for just that. It's perfect for a lunch date, perfect for when you just want to go to the gym, go to the park, go run errands. I think that the items that I have are perfect for just that. And just like the other shirt, I can also picture rocking this with like some denim jeans or even a skirt. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. This shirt is also in a size small as well. I really feel like you can see like the shirt and the material. You can see how the shirt is made whenever it's a lighter color. I don't know. But yeah, it's the same exact shirt as that white shirt I showed y'all. Okay, so this next item looks like it might be a dress. It's on the heavier side. This is also a size small. I'm loving the color already. Okay, so this is actually a jumpsuit, y'all. Let me back it up so y'all can kind of see. This is a jumpsuit. I love how flowy it is, first off. So you don't have to worry about being snatched when wearing this, okay? Like, I love the fact that it does seem like it's a little bigger for a small. So maybe this just runs big in general because it's meant to be loose fitting. But yeah, I would definitely recommend nipple covers for this too because the material isn't too thin, but yeah, you'll definitely need like a little nipple cover. Unless, of course, you don't mind, the peekaboo action. It's completely up to you. But I'm just keeping you informed, okay? Because, yeah. But I actually love this. And I can't wait to try this on. I think this is perfect because with jumpsuits, you can dress jumpsuits up or down. I think this could be a cute casual fit. If you wanted to dress it up with some heels, you can do so too and go to brunch. It's really up to you. But yeah, I love jumpsuits because of how versatile and styled they can be. But I'll show y'all how it looks on when we get to that point. Y'all, look at this jumpsuit. It looks even better on me. First of all, check out the side, the design. First of all, I love how like loose fitting it is. I love that the pants are very like baggy and flowy. And I just love the way this is made. Like the sides, they actually did a really good job with this design. Let me know what y'all think, because I'm loving this. I'm excited to see how the other jumpsuit looks on me. Because I thought I was gonna like that one better, but we'll see. Because I really love this one, okay? Okay, so this looks like another jumpsuit, but y'all, I like this one so much better. First of all, look at how the back is made. Like, I can't wait to show y'all how this looks on me. It's got the back out and everything. Like, what? What? I actually love this. Cannot wait to try it on. It's just something about having your back out. Like, it's just something about the design. It also has the option where you can unclip it for easy access to put it on, take it off, put it on. And this is also in a size small, but it looks like it's on the baggier side, like it's supposed to, you know, run a little bigger, fit a little looser. So yeah, I've also seen people on TikTok promote these jumpsuits, so I'm excited to see how it looks on moi. Oh my god, y'all, this is super, super cute. Okay, so this is how it looks in the front, right? Same bagginess in the pants, and then look at the back. Isn't this super cute? I love it, y'all. I love the way the back is made. Let me untwist this. Y'all, I love it. This makes the jumpsuit. Honestly, the back makes the jumpsuit because when you look at it in the front, it's pretty basic, right? But the back, y'all, the back makes this jumpsuit. Absolutely love, love, love. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this one better or the other one? Okay, so this, first of all, it comes with this. So these are some shorts. Yeah, these are some shorts look like. Let me see. Yep, these are some shorts, or better yet, it look like some big old panties. What is this called? Because, so this is a medium. It's big, it's a medium. These are some little bitty shorts, right? So let me show you what also was in that bag. So this is a dress with a hood. So this is the hood, y'all. It's navy blue, matching with the boy shorts or panties or whatever you want to call it. And this is the dress. So what I like about this dress is the back, y'all. The back, let me show y'all the back. The back also has some little peekaboo action. So it's kind of showing your back, you know, little peekaboo. It also has a tie-up just in case you want to like cinch the waist. So these are the little tie-ups here. So I can't wait to play with it to make it look good on me. And y'all, I'm so glad I saw this. The dress has slits. Okay, y'all know I love me a little slit. I love to show off my legs, y'all. It has slits on both sides, y'all. I just wanted something cute and casual. Okay, so this also came with another bag. Let's see what's in this. Oh, okay. So it came with a scrunchie. So it's a purple color, okay? See, it has a little symbol on it. And this, oh, okay. So this is a scrunchie, and the scrunchie comes with this bag. So this is a bag that's perfect for working out. It's actually a fanny pack. So you can just put it around your waist, then unzip it and show you the inside. So I like the fact that the inside has a little pocket here for whatever you want to put in there, whether it be your phone, hand sanitizer, whatever. But yeah, this is that, and it comes with a little scrunchie. So that's perfect. Okay, and last but not least, we got another skirt, y'all. It's made exactly like the other two skirts that I showed y'all, except it's in this color here. Y'all, I love this color. It's something about this color that I just cannot get over. So this is the same skirt, except in this olive color. I actually love the bra with this olive color. But yeah, I think this pairs well together. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, just so y'all know, everything will be linked in the description box below, okay? Ain't no question about it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know which fit y'all like the best. My favorite was the 2 jumpsuits, okay? I also think the skirts were really cute. My favorite out of the skirts was the olive skirt, of course. And as y'all know, I still have this bra on. I absolutely love this bra. I think the key factor that makes me love these outfits is, one, the material, how nice and flowy the jumpsuits are, and then the design, y'all. I love how they really paid attention to detail with the design. So yeah, I really recommend shopping HALARA, especially when you're trying to get back in the gym. You're trying to, you need some motivation and you want to look cute while working out. I definitely recommend HALARA. They are very affordable. Like I said, this isn't a collab. This isn't a sponsorship. We paid our own money for this, okay? The hubby saw it, he liked it, and he got it. And kudos to him. Like, thank him, because I wouldn't have even thought about looking at HALARA for any activewear, because y'all know I'm typically like Shein, Amazon girl, fashionable girl, whatever. So yeah, I'm also going to be looking into different clothing brands as far as like try-on hauls and things like that. So if you all have any recommendations on which clothing company I should try next, please feel free to let me know. Anyways, comment down below, okay? It helps with your girl's algorithm. Even if you don't want to comment anything because you're shy, just comment a butterfly. Just let me know that you here, you watched, and you supported, okay? And I appreciate you for that. Click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Also, if you're not part of the notification gang, go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace.